Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off touch controls of your SONOS Era 100. So to do this, you have to just go to the settings icon, then pick your system, and right now we have to pick your speaker. Right now just scroll down and click right here on the switcher to turn on or off the touch controls. And currently I just turn it off. I have to wait a little bit because I lost the Wi-Fi connection and my phone is just like not working properly, as you can see. But yeah, that's the easy method to turn on or off this touch controls on your SONOS Era 100. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.